Are you going to push your baby in her carriage? All right. Where are you going to go? La la la. Singing a song. Oh, you stuck. You stuck. What happened? I know that's a step. Yeah, where are you going to put your purse? Okay. Oof. You want to go this way? Come on, we'll go this way. Come on, we'll turn your baby around. Okay, turn around. Come around this way. Come on. You gonna go up the stair? Oh, what is that, a flower? Is that a flower? A stone. Oh, thank you very much. You want to put that in your purse? You want to put that in your purse? Thank you. All right. Oh, look at your beads. All the beads. Oh, that's a little purse. Thank you. Thank you very much. What did you find in there? A stone? You want to sit down? Up you go. Want to get up? There you go. Hello, anybody home? Hi, Gabby.
Gabby. Mom, she's gone.
Okay.
Come on.